Nephew Contender.
This is our 11th live show here on the Ray and Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways. Now, we need to give a birthday shout out to Pietro Gramenia, marketing manager at Ray and Nephew. We hope you had a fantastic day, yes? Now, the summer is upon us, and you know why you think it's too late to get yourself in shape. I'm encouraging you to check out our fitness partners at the Fit Farm Fitness Center, located at 2 Upper Braemar Avenue. Now, there's an exciting way to win real cash money in this Contender boxing series. All you have to do is vote for the boxer that you think is going to win each fight. Every week, you stand the chance of taking home $15,000 cash. So, for tonight's bout, text 1 for Richard Holmes or 2 for Frank Hitman Cotroni to 444-2450, and you could be the lucky winner of the ultimate prize of $50,000 cash. It's only $10, so take up your digital phone and text. All right, back to business. The first boxer had an impressive showing in round 1 when he stomped all over his Jamaican opponent. He was ranked 4th on the Canadian team, but has since moved up in standing, and he's looking to get another notch in the belt tonight. So, is his head in the game? How focused is he? We're heading into the locker room where Patrick Anderson is standing by. Patrick, over to you.
Thank you very much. Crystal. But let me pose a question to you as the host. Crystal was asking, how focused are you on this contest tonight?
I'm more focused than ever, even more than the last one. I'm really focused.
What have you been doing over the past month? Because you defeated Gregory Miller on May 3. What has happened over the past month?
Just went back to the gym the Monday. As soon as right after the fight, we got back to Montreal on Friday. Monday, I was in the gym working hard, sparring 2 times a week. So at least I didn't get hurt at all at that fight. I was fresh, so it went good.
I've looked at all the matchups of the tail of the tape. Pretty even. Will this be a battle of attrition tonight, a battle of resilience?
We'll see after the fight.
Tell me.
For me, I don't want it to be. For me, I want it to go fast, But like I say, he looks like a good boxer, and that'll be probably a good fight.
My final question, you raise a good point, because when you last fought Gregory Miller here, Gregory was ahead of you, and you caught up with him. You were prepared to start fast tonight.
Well, it'll be a little bit different. Every opponents are different, and every time the ring bell, for me, it's a different fight, So depending on how he comes and the way he is, we'll see how it goes.
So trainer Jesse Thompson, what have you scouted in Richard Holmes?
Our opponent moves very well. He has good hands, but we see a few weaknesses. We hope to take advantage tonight.
Want to tell the viewing public?
We'll see in the ring tonight.
Jesse Thompson, Frank Cotroni, good luck. It's back up to Crystal.
Well, Frank does a Jamaican opponent already, but will he be able to repeat the same results tonight with this Jamaican boxer? We'll see. Now, before we talk to the next boxer, a quick reminder of the much anticipated semifinals and final night, which will be held on the field at the Jamaica University College on July 5, July 12, and July 26, with each night having more than one professional bout and some A-list artists on the final night. More details coming your way as we move along. Okay, so he was the first boxer in the competition that forced his bout to come to an abrupt end when he caught his opponent with a devastating uppercut. He is the second-ranked Jamaican boxer, but he's looking increasingly impressive. With Patrick Anderson, here is Richard Holmes.
Thank you very much, Crystal. Richard, you look anxious. You're jumping out of your skin tonight.
I'm always anxious when it comes to go in the ring, what I say? Because I come to take care of business,
Looking sharp as well.
Directly.
Well, you last fought on April 26. That would have given you some time to rest and improve your condition.
Yeah, of course. The previous fight, it passed, so we get prepared for this one now. So this one, I'm more condition to go all the way up.
And what have you looked at on Frank Cotroni?
Well, I'm looking for a good fight, and I'm looking for me come out at the victorious one at the same time.
You're the tactician, Carl, the trainer, Carl Grant. In scouting Frank, what are we planning to do tonight with him?
Well, I won't say much, but...
no, man, tell us a lot.
well, we sit down with Richard and we view most of the fights. We pick out his strength and his weakness, and tonight we're going to just capitalize on it.
Tell us one of the weaknesses.
All right. Come in the ring the next 5 minutes and you will see all of that.
Carl Grant and the Frog, Richard Holmes. They'll be in the ring in a moment. It's back up to Crystal.
So you've heard it all. Both boxers have talked the talk, and soon they'll have to walk the walk. The second-ranked Jamaican versus Canada's number 3. This will be a battle. Will the Frog hop over tonight's obstacle, or will the Hitman take out his target? It's Frank the Hitman Cotroni versus Richard Frog Holmes when we return here on the Ray and Nephew Contender.
It's the Ray and Nephew Contender!